What's your name? John, how old are you? 6 years old. And how are you today, John? Happy. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like blue. What food do you like? What food? Hamburger? Yes? Oh, how many fingers do you have? I have. How many fingers? 1, 2. How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. Good job. Ready? Yes. Okay, look at this, John. Tell me the letters and the sounds. Good. Next, which word that has muck sound? Mountain. Very good, John. All sound. Orange. Good. Oh. Very good. Next. Robot. Wow. Great job, John. Very good. Good. Now let's move on to this picture. What is it? Peach. What's the beginning letter? Letter? Letter what? P. Sounds? P sounds. What's the sound of letter P? Good. What is this? What's the beginning letter? 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 What's the beginning? Yes. Okay. Next. What is this? No, this is not a rabbit. It's a hen. What's the beginning letter? Letter P. Letter P. Who is she? Who is she? She is a queen. What's the beginning letter? Queen. What's the beginning letter? Yes, very good, John. Good job. Next. Okay, what animal is it? What animal? Ostrich. What's the beginning letter? Beginning letter. Ostrich. Ostrich. Letter? Oh, perfect. What animal is it? What's the beginning letter? Letter? Rabbit. What letter is it? Letter? R is correct. Good job. Next. Oh, no. What fruit is it? Pineapple. What's the beginning letter? Letter? P. Do you like pineapple? Yes. Good. What is it? Robot. What's the beginning letter? Letter? R. Do you like robots? Yes, I do. Good job. Give me. Wow, I'm so proud of you. You